Alright, so it's a nice day. I just want to kind of go out for a little cruise because your boy's about to be actually going back to Illinois for a couple days, so we're gonna be driving the car for a little bit, for like 5 days or so. So want to go out and enjoy this nice weather. Let me know down in the comment section what's the weather like where you guys are at, because it's hot as hell where I'm at. But that's why I moved down here, even though I seem to complain about it every single video. There's like some weird misfire code that's still going on, even though I changed all the spark components. I don't notice it while I'm driving or under watt, so I don't know what it is. This thing is fucking loud though. I do miss this shit. This thing is fucking loud. Been able to open this car up in a while. This thing is fucking loud. I already know I'm making a bunch of noise. This is probably the worst. Oh god, this thing is so loud. Let me go ahead and clear this code though. Stop data log. Vehicle functions, clear DCT codes, yes, there we go. All right. I think I need to adjust my clutch cable again though too. I'm feeling like some dragging. Ooh, nice little C8. I'm feeling like some dragging with the clutch, it's not releasing as quick. I don't know why. I think I need to adjust the cable though. Let me slow down a little bit. I don't want to accidentally go ahead and scrape the intercooler. Treadstone is going to work though. The IATs are 92 right now. It's definitely warmer than that. It's like 100 outside literally, and the IATs are under what it is, which is amazing. I'm telling you guys, if you guys are looking for an intercooler, you got to hit up the Treadstone intercooler. It works flawlessly. So the IATs got to 98 before we took off. That's not bad though. It has not hit ambient yet. Yeah, this car really is loud as fuck. This is kind of a menace to society in a way. This is right now, it's on full loud and ignition mode. like driving the car like outside. I'm driving this thing like it's a BRZ around corners. We're gonna turn this way. Alright, the coolant temps are like at 220 right now. I'm gonna let these bikes go. I mean, this thing is fucking loud, bro. It's fucking loud. I mean, it's hot. This thing is fucking loud, bro. Oh my god. Like a water patch. I was like, what the fuck? There's literally no point. It's too hot and I don't have the tire on, and it's literally not even, it's not gonna hug. I want to go watt so bad, dude. Just got to get the welds back on the car. I don't know, after driving around the car with like the welds on, don't get me wrong, the car is fun, but like having that like grip with the Mickey Thompson, like when you're used to that, like the street setup is just kind of just, it sucks because you don't hook. You really can't like have fun with the car. You always have to be pedaling it. You have to like, you know, shift at like 4,000 because like I don't get in the boost to like 4K. So this car does not open up until like past 4,000 RPM. So realistically, like I have to like shift it. Like, let me actually see, like, yeah, I only hit 7 pounds of boost. I literally probably just started to get into boost and shut it down. Like, this is the thing with these cars, man. Oh, there's the Sugarland police. And we are in comp land. They probably heard my car and just started booking down here. I always don't go too deep into Sugarland because it literally is cop land. Even though like I really wasn't even going that fast right there. I like literally shut the car down at like 70 miles an hour. wasting so much gas, but fuck it, dude. I'm telling y'all, when I take this car out at night with the tire on and like start going ahead and like testing to see what it actually does, I'm telling y'all, this thing is gonna hit like, it's gonna hit 15 pounds of boost. I would not be surprised. Cause I'm picking up like, I took it out yesterday, or like a day ago, and I tested it, and like, it was hitting like 3 extra pounds of boost in like first gear doing a rip. Second gear, I haven't tested it on like, with the turbo smart filter on instead of the Spectre cone, but I'm thinking it's gonna hit 15 pounds. Because this car was hitting 13.5 before I fixed a lot of the issues. So I think it's gonna probably be at 15 realistically, which would be crazy. 15, 16 pounds of boost. That'd be like 500 to the tire, I think, almost. Right now it's around like 450. So I think that if it makes another 2 extra pounds of boost, I think that's around 500 tire. Obviously I gotta go test the car. But if it runs like a high 10 quarter mile, it's 500 to the tire for sure. Tunnel blast. Oh, damn it. Oh well. Yeah, we still got it. I just gotta focus on faster shifts with this MGW. And then we're going to the track. I want to see what it runs, but I gotta go a day where it's not like 100 degrees outside, because that's gonna be complete cap. Or I should just go at night. Just go like right before it closes or some shit with a group of people. Oh shit! What the hell was that? The bad idea to want to put dumps on this car for some reason. We still haven't hit ambient temp either, which is amazing. This Treadstone intercooler is fucking awesome. It's pricey, but there's a reason why it's pricey, because we haven't even hit ambient temp yet. And I've been like, I mean, I'm not really beating on the car, but you know, I'm giving it some nice little pulls. They built this whole fucking building in like 6 months. That's insane. This whole thing was built in 6 months. That's incredible. That whole building was done in 6 months. Hope you guys enjoyed that little joyride want to go ahead and take the car out and enjoy it a little bit, because I'm gonna be going on a little vacation or just visiting some family back home in Illinois. So you might not see too much POV in the 2-valve, but there will be some content dropped on the channel, Mustang content, because I got a buddy that just pro-charged his 5.0. Go ahead and check that out. And I also got another buddy who just picked up a 5.0, so hey, it's gonna be some 5.0 content on the channel, man. They trying to get me into a 5.0, even though I'm the one that kind of got them into Mustangs, but we'll see how that goes. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn those post notifications. Catch you guys in the next one.